Mercedes, this is on the other end of the spectrum here. Well, you went from one place to the next. Mercedes Maybach unveils first all-electric model in the EQS 680 SUV, complete with its own fridge. So this is like the electric version of the current Maybach SUV.
Uh-huh.
So it's going to cost like $300,000. And there's going to be, and it's got a carbon footprint to go with it.
Yeah.
At least on the manufacturing side. Does it have the reclining seats in the back beside the fridge? It must, right?
Yeah.
You got some photos for me here, Will?
Yeah. This might not be the best
Not the best, hey?
site here.
Oh, there you go. You got 8 photos. Let's see the 8. So, of course, in Maybach, you got to have the two-tone on the side panels and the roof. You have to have some chrome accents, the grille, Maybach-esque. But, of course, it's artificial at this point since we're talking about an electric vehicle. Maybach styling on the wheels. Here we have like an above kind of view. The shape of it,
Does it look a bit hearsey?
I would say
Like
I would say it looks hearsey. That's what comes to my mind.
But, I mean, it's the interior that really matters.
Yeah, a vehicle like this. I think the gas-powered equivalent looks better. The existing Maybach SUV, but whatever. It's probably really efficient. You know, they got to start thinking about drag coefficient with these electric cars.
Yeah.
Let
me find another website.
You're not happy.
Because
You're not happy.
I think Moto Trend had a better one.
Better images?
Yeah.
Have they not just listed it on their website at this point? Or 28 photos.
They have interiors.
Shout out Moto Trend. They have the hosting capabilities for 28 photos. Yeah, this is the back seats. So you're reclining, you get your tablet for all your controls, big center console section. The refrigerator is going to be in the middle. This is the electric equivalent of what they've been doing on the gas side. You got the wireless charger in the middle there. Right in front of that, your champagne glasses, which click down and stay like locked in. Cup holders in front of that. Those cup holders heated and cooled. Displays. You got the pillow on the headrest. You know how this goes, Will.
Oh, it's great.
We had the Maybach in here. You remember?
It was such a fun time.
Yeah, that's the SUV version over here.
And the steering, like it was very easy to steer.
Oh, the power steering, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we spun around in that baby. Who knows? Maybe we'll get our hands on this one. Do it in electric style. What are they saying for range and stuff like that? I need to know. What can I say? Or are they saying anything?
There should be.
First of all, they're talking about all the luxury before they give you the bad news, which is like, it can only go. Oh, there you go. 373 miles, which is actually, when you think about it, can you give me KMs on that? 373 in KMs. It is a big, heavy SUV. I doubt the efficiency is going to be there, but I care about the total range.
That's really good. That's pretty good.
I take. No, but you can get the regular Mercedes version of this. It already exists. You don't have to get the Maybach version of it. You can get.
But it'll be even more quiet with the electric.
Silent.
Yeah.
Imagine the luxury.
Ooh.
Imagine yourself in this luxury.